Hey, this is Matheteer here to show you how to multiply polynomials. When multiplying polynomials, there are two main methods you can use. One is the FOIL method, which I like to use when multiplying two-term polynomials. That would be multiplying the first, outside, inside, and last. Or the box method, which I like to use when there are more than two terms to a polynomial. When finished, we combine like terms and always list your final answer with the greatest to smallest exponents. For example 1, we have 4x minus 1 squared. For a situation like this, we are squaring everything inside the parentheses. So we need to rewrite it 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1. Now we use the FOIL method. First, 4x times 4x is 16x squared. Outside, 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x. Inside, negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x. And then last, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Now we combine like terms, and we have 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. Example 2, we have 7x minus 6 multiplied by 5x plus 6. We're going to use a FOIL method to solve this problem. First term, 7x times 5x is 35x squared. Our outside terms, 7x times positive 6 plus 42x. Our inside term, negative 6 times 5x is negative 30x. And our last terms, negative 6 times positive 6 is negative 36. We combine like terms. We have 35x squared. 42x minus 30x is 12x minus 36. Example number 3, we have 4x plus 2 multiplied by 6x squared minus x plus 2. Notice we have one of these expressions has two terms, one has three. This is where I like to use the box method. It doesn't have to be a fancy box. I draw like this. And then we list 4x and positive 2 here. 6x squared, negative x, and 2 over here. And we multiply 4x times 6x squared, 24x cubed. 6x squared times 2 is 12x squared. 4x times negative x is negative 4x squared. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. 4x multiplied by 2 is 8x. And then 2 multiplied by 2 is positive 4. Now we can combine like terms. We have 24x cubed. 12x squared minus 4x squared is 8x squared. Negative 2x and 8x when combined is 6x and plus 4. So when we draw a box, we multiply, and then we combine like terms in each box. For example 4, we have 7x minus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus 7. We're going to use a box method again. We draw a little box. We label 7x negative 3 x squared minus 2x plus 7. 7x times x squared is 7x cubed. 7x times negative 2x is negative 14x squared. 7x times positive 7 is 49x. Negative 3 times x squared, negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative 2x is positive 6x. And then negative 3 times positive 7, negative 21. We combine like terms. We have 7x cubed. Negative 3x squared minus 14x squared is negative 17x squared. 6x and 49x plus 55x and minus 21. Example number 5, we have x plus 3 squared. We need to rewrite this as x plus 3 times x plus 3. We use a FOIL method here. X times x is x squared. Outside, x times 3 is plus 3x. Inside, 3 times x plus 3x. And then last, 3 times 3 is 9. Combine like terms, and we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. And example number 6, x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. We do the first, x times x is x squared. Outside, plus 5x. And then inside, negative 5x. And then last, negative 5 times positive 5, negative 25. We combine like terms, and we have x squared, positive 5x, negative 5x cancels, and we are left with x squared minus 25. So when multiplying polynomials, we can either use a FOIL method or the box method. When we are finished multiplying, we combine like terms and list our answer from greatest to smallest exponent. I am the Mathketeer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.